Alright guys, we are here at Summit Lake in central Idaho, and this little lake is just about a quarter-mile hike from the camping area. It's a nice windy day and Dominique and Micaiah are over there trying to catch a fish, but it's just a little tiny alpine lake. It's beautiful up here. And Lillian and Joseph are running around the other side here. So you can see how crystal clear the water is up here.
Go, Duke! Good job, buddy! Come back before you drown. Come back.
Come back.
Duke! Good job, Duke!
Alright, here's the Comanches, the crew. There's Duke, can't get enough of retrieving the sticks.
First time swimming.
Yeah, tripod reservoir. Or not, I keep calling it tripod, but that's not what it is. This Summit Lake. Tripod is about 40 miles south of here. What's Joseph? What's going on? Yeah, no fish yet. We'll keep trying. And this is the trail to Summit Lake, and there are no fish in Summit Lake apparently. At least none that want to get caught. See the crew down there ahead of me. Well, now we're starting to get back out of the burn area, and when you do, there's these beautiful flowers everywhere. And a little lower, we actually found some huckleberries. And we made it back to the campground. Is that nice and cool? Yeah?
Yeah, and it's clean.
Yep. Alright. Joseph and I are balancing across the log here. That's it, Jojo. How you doing, buddy? Oh, there's Big Duke. That's a pretty little stream, huh? Little creek. Alright. Let me see, Jojo. Stay right there. Alright, goodbye. Alright, we got Big Duke and all the kids, and we're sitting right here at this beautiful waterfall coming down. And way back up in there, of course, is a high mountain lake, but it's quite the trek, as you can see, to get up in there. When I was a teenager, we hiked up there and it took all day. But it's beautiful. Are you having fun, Lily?
Yeah!
Yeah. All the snow and water really got all these logs pushed down here.
Poisonous, I think.
Oh, yeah, there's lots of berries up here.
Yeah, and Daddy tried one.
Yeah.
Can I come over?
Alright, say bye.
Bye!